7, day 10, and in today's video we are going to be dividing mixed numbers using reciprocals. And a quick note, let's write this on our paper so we can remember. For reciprocals, if I have a over b, I gotta switch my marker out. If I have a over b, then the reciprocal is just switching the numerator and the denominator, just like that. So when we're dividing a mixed number by a fraction, the first thing we have to do is turn any mixed numbers into an improper fraction. Right, that's where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And then after we turn the mixed numbers into an improper fraction, then we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. As I'm sure you can hear, there is a train going by. All right. So let's take a look at this problem here. It was asking us to divide 2 1/3 by 3/4. So what this is asking us is how many sections of 3/4 are there in 2 1/3? So step number 1 is turn any of the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's do that right here. 2 1/3. So that's the same thing as this denominator times the whole number, which is 3 times 2, plus what's in the numerator, over the original denominator, which is 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this is equal to 7 over 3. So 2 1/3 divided by 3/4 is the same thing as equal to 2 1/3 as an improper fraction, which is 7 over 3. Then we have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So multiplied by 7/3 multiplied by, so dividing by 3/4, 3 over 4, is the same thing as multiplying by 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is the reciprocal of 3/4. So now, once we have this, then we can just multiply across, because that's how we multiply fractions. Multiply the two numerators. 7 times 4 is 28. 3 times 3, the two denominators. 3 times 3 is 9. So now we have 28 ninths. This is an improper fraction, so when it's our final answer, now we want to turn it back into a mixed number. So 28 ninths, here's how we can do that. We can do 28, on the side here, 28 divided by 9, so the numerator divided by the denominator. 9 goes into 28 how many times? 3 times. So 3 times 9 is 27, so we'll subtract 27 here. And that gives us a remainder of 1. And in this case, we keep the remainder because we're going to write our answer as a fraction. So this is going to be 3, which was from up here. 1 was the remainder, so it's 3 and 1, and then what we divided it by, 9. 3 and 1/9. So 28 ninths equals 3 and 1/9. And that's our final answer for 2 1/3 divided by 3/4. I'll get you started on number 1. And before we jump into number 1, today's video is dedicated to Eileen in 6C. Hey Eileen. 1 3/4 divided by 2/5. So our first step, turn any mixed numbers into an improper fraction. So 1 3/4. Turn this into an improper fraction. The denominator times the whole number, 4 times 1. Plus the original numerator, which is 3, over the denominator, 4. Right, this equals 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3, 7, over 4. Right? So now this equals 7/4 times the reciprocal of 2/5. Okay? So I'm not going to do that for you because now I want you to do that part on your own. Right? Dividing by 2/5 is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of 2/5. And when you are done with this video, what you're going to do is go ahead and close your computer. And then you're going to finish this page. All right? There you go. Good luck.